Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Extra education tips. Now I am telling about this topic. Indicate the true or false is the case is maybe and maybe not. It is the necessity that is substance. Its reaction is one example amount of heat and absorbed in constant volume of injection. The work does not in by system is this positive is sign and electric state in functions and but energy is not to in total is content system call to in either defined to following teams in other giving in example system in activation reaction surrounding and activation reaction and state function and unit of energy and enthalpy is the other of system is difference to and definition to between of following and internal energy in enthalpy. Internal energy in change and enthalpy energy is atomic is one to is most important is equal that is side to in definition and definitions following each in one to give us example and standard enthalpy of reaction standard of enthalpy of composition, standard of enthalpy of atomization, and standard of enthalpy of solution. And theor- thermochemistry is what is the reaction of suspend in other is and supposition and process is explained to in burning is of candle is suppositions and process. It is the truth that is supposition process never happen in other. And what is the first of law and thermodynamic have to in example and equal to E and equal to A add to in how to issue in different definite into each other into in value of the reaction taking and oppose exclusions. And what is the definitions between heat in temperature which is being to this is the and parameters in how to involve to measure that heat in composition and substructure defined to heat of measuration net and result in structure is each strong and basis each other in utilization found to near and thou to each one other in state how does is the most important and thermochemistry is show that how in other and what is the thermochemistry equation give to in other why is necessity nutrition in physical state of thermochemical apply its one and justify you in answer and define to explain hints of the constant heat summer is one aspiration process and send you in example and candle of the social process and process never happen is the universe example and how direct and how does not example it is one between A and A at 2 to it have the same place and solution state and between to each other temperature right mathematical and relationship in other membranes eat and C at substance is the bomb collimator and one and due solution in strong and other in not relation default in other found and near is the same in all cases in other is how to is are the basis is one of the law is other is equation give there the example what elimination theory animation is physical state of reaction the project in heroes is justify answer is considered that is one in physical that in health is measured that is one. The state of laws and thermochemistry is shown that is one in thermochemistry manic and what is the thermomechanical equation giving example and covariancy and why is necessary motion is physical state of the other is thermochemical reaction apply have to in other justify answer and define to example hints of law in construct of subrogation is give is other application give is law is other and conservation is those reactions is crime to in other laboratory in explain and define of the example list of the concept and submit in other give in application hence law how in calculate his law is reactions cry to in other laboratory example it what is the light ice energy and how does is the above in fiber in circle have in other in of the NaCl is other and justify that his formulation and compound to other is sums If you are new, must subscribe my YouTube channel. More videos and more update. If you are new, um, Afra Education Tips must subscribe. Take care. Allah Hafiz.